Hello everyone and welcome to Yoka's Polka. I am Yoka, your night owl. So, today we are going to do another spread in my Happy Planner. I sadly don't have any cute Etsy sticker kits, but what I do have is a lot of sticker books, paper, and washi tape. So if you're like me, then I'll show you how to use your planner without any Etsy sticker kits. Starting with two big stickers, and these stickers I actually got from Amazon, and I'm just choosing two stickers that have the same colors. Next, we are going to use some paper. These are papers from my paper pads that I have already used, so I'm just trying to find some green paper. If you don't have any of these papers, you can also try to find some at the dollar store. I know that they sell construction paper. Since I don't really have a lot to plan, I'm also going to be looking into getting some more paper, and this is actually an origami set, and they have so many pretty papers, so I just went ahead and chose these three papers. This isn't necessary, but I wanted to change that turtle sticker for the tea bag and the mug because it went with the T-Rex so much better. Now I'm just going to take the time to use my Happy Planner punch and just go ahead and punch out all the papers that we chose. And if you don't have this, you can measure out your boxes. Something that brings the spread together is washi tape. So what I'm going to do is pick one of the washi tapes and I just choose whichever is the color scheme that I'm going for. And it's finally time to start planning, so what I'm gonna do is start laying down that washi tape that we chose and two of the papers that we cut out. This is why I love using paper in my spreads because it honestly brings so much color and it's so fast. So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and go into one of my sticker books and just choose a sticker to place on top of that black writing. Next, I'm gonna take my Tombow pen and I'm just gonna go ahead and write my quote of the week. I kind of chose a very deep quote this week, which is "Life is a one-time offer, so use it well." Once I was done, I used the same washi tape to line the bottom of the page. Next, I'm gonna be looking into some of my flower stickers, and I chose this clover sticker since it was supposed to be a St. Patrick's Day theme, but I didn't really have a lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff, so this is gonna have to do. Next, I went ahead and trimmed off the white from this butterfly sticker because it was just way too thick, so if you don't like the thickness of some of the stickers, just use your scissors and trim it off. I then went ahead and lined the bottom of the spread with two other washi tapes, and then I went ahead and chose two pictures from my aesthetic picture book collection, and this is actually something that I got from Amazon, and I love to use them in my planners because it looks like I took those pictures, but I didn't, so yeah. These pictures are actually a tad bit too big, so what I do is I line it up with my cardboard box, and that cardboard box is like measured perfectly for the boxes in my planner, so I just go ahead and clip them together and I trim off the excess. These picture quotes are actually from one of the paper pads, so what I did is I went ahead and chose the green one and I just cut it off as well. So after all that prepping, it is finally time to glue down all our papers that we chose, and what I do is I sometimes just lay it out and see how I like the positioning, and if I don't like it, I just go ahead and change it. One of my favorite layouts is to actually have the pictures go diagonally. I feel like it kind of makes it look more interesting, but you do how you like to do it. What I did is I went ahead and lined the top of the boxes for my meal plans with some washi tape, and all I'm doing right now is trimming off the excess because sometimes when I rip the washi tape it doesn't come out like perfectly, so I just use my card and an X-Acto knife and I just like line it up and make sure to cut off the excess just to make the edges look more straight. I'm also going in with a different washi tape just to line the bottom of the meal plan boxes. Then once that's done, I'm choosing the same washi tape that I already used for the bottom of the spread, and I'm lining the bottom of my to-do boxes. Once that's done, I'm placing the big stickers right in the middle of the spread, and I try to make sure that the paper is sticking out just so it doesn't hide. I then went ahead and chose 7 green tabs to place on top of my to-do boxes, and sometimes I just play around with the positioning just to see where I like them the most. After that was done, I went ahead and chose a Staedtler marker pen, and I just chose like a green one, and I'm just writing out all my meal plans, and I know my cursive isn't good, so please don't judge. Since I didn't have a lot of green checklist stickers, I decided to take my midliner and I just created little dots to work as a checklist, and it works perfectly fine. So that's a little tip if you don't have a lot of checklist stickers. Once I was done writing all of the things that I needed to write, I went ahead and garnished the page with a lot of little mini stickers. Since the top of the page seemed kinda empty, I went in with 4 leaf stickers and I just placed them wherever I thought would look good, and it kinda brought the whole thing together. And we are done! I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, consider liking and subscribing. Also, if you have some time, check out my other videos on planning and journaling, and I will see you all a little later.